Hello, my name is Hermann Walkenhorst. I'm leading the sales team at AGTOS, and I would like to introduce our green wall here. And you see our main sentence competence in the wheel blasting technology stands here on the green wall to explain the topic sustainability. And sustainability is here combined with the operating data. So that means we will take the operating data out of this machine and realize a smart monitoring system where you can collect and see your data, and out of this data you can make your machine more efficient and at the end more sustainable.